Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, what the such stands for EDC Gear. Today we are trying this orange soda, but it's Uludag, if I'm saying that right. Legendary Uludag Gazoz. I'm probably saying that wrong. 1930s. It says 1930 orange soda, 8.4 fluid ounces. Let me brighten this up. I can see it better. And you can pause to read the ingredients. It says vegan, water, sugar, orange juice from orange concentrate, minimum 4%. Product of TÜrkiey. 250 milliliters. Very cold because it's been in the fridge for like almost a month. I'm going through my orange sodas and I found this one. So I'm going to use my bottle opener. Let me get to it. It's my Victorinox Super Tinker. Next year it expires in the first month. Okay, let me put my Victorinox back in my pocket. And let's sniff this soda. It smells good. Let's take a swig. Not as good as the Denmark or Ireland Fanta, but it is good. Let me take one more swig and then I will tell you my rating. On the low side, I give it a 7.3, and on the high side, a 7.8. It is very good. It does have the taste of real orange juice, and it's carbonated, and it tastes like soda, so it's all good. And vegan part, I don't even notice. So, if you're worried about being vegan part, don't even notice the difference with the vegan part. And knife in the video is the Cold Steel Mini Tough Light. This is in my EDC first aid kit Olight zipper bag. It had like two pockets and inside pockets, two zipper pockets, and an inside pocket. I have to clean the mid back lock, whatever, because there's gunk in there. And it is in a 4116 stainless steel, Taiwan made, Cold Steel logo. Let me know if you've had this orange soda in the comment section below, and if you do or have had it, how do you like it or not like it? And what do you think of this knife in the comment section below? Cold Steel Mini Tough Light in 4116 stainless steel. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully you get something good, decent, collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, your video games. Enjoy yummy drinks like this orange soda from TÜrkiey. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.